The current transformer from Larson Electronics facilitates power distribution in outdoor locations and is designed for power utility applications. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer an ideal solution for metering, protective relaying, high voltage system control, and more. The current transformer is rated for 15 kilovolts and 600 to 1 current ratio at 60 Hz. The system has heavy-duty windings for high strength and thermal and electrical conductivity. The transformer has standard terminals for primary connection and is equipped with a terminal block protected by a removable cover. This transformer provides owners with significant energy savings as well as offering environmental benefits. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.